Good morning, Max. Good morning, Amelia. I'm starving. Max is misunderstanding. Oh no, Amelia's starving. What should I do? Max, not literally. I just mean I'm really hungry. That's all. Ah, got it. We should go to the kitchen. La la la. Let's learn some breakfast words. Sausage. Eggs. Tea. Milk. Cereal. Max is misunderstanding. Wait, you said cereal. How many crimes were committed? No, I'm talking about breakfast food. The cereal you're talking about means something that happens again and again in a series, like a serial number or a series of crimes. Serial, something that happens again and again in a series, one after another. Cereal, breakfast food. Oh, I understand now. Next is toast. It looks like charcoal. It's extra crispy. Okay, it's burnt. I'll make another one. Toast, lightly cooked bread. Burnt, overcooked. Okay, time to eat. Delicious. The food is delicious. Ooh, hot. The tea is hot. Ooh, cold. The milk is cold. What about my breakfast? You get pancakes. Pancakes are my favorite. Thank you. Hey, you guys, time for a quiz. Do you remember how to say this? Sausage. How about this one? Tea. Last one. Eggs. Great job. See you later.